Hello, design lovers, and welcome back to the Daily House Ideas. Today, we're transforming your entire farmhouse into a cozy Christmas wonderland, starting with that perfect rustic entryway and flowing through every cherished space in your home. If you're dreaming of a holiday season filled with warmth, vintage charm, and that authentic farmhouse aesthetic, you're in exactly the right place. We'll explore everything from welcoming wreaths to twinkling lanterns, cozy textiles to rustic benches that invite everyone to stay a while. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our design inspiration. Drop a comment below sharing your favorite farmhouse Christmas tradition, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you love cozy, rustic holiday decor as much as we do. Let's begin where your guest's Christmas experience starts, your farmhouse exterior. Picture a classic farmhouse facade dressed in its holiday finest, featuring a simple yet stunning fresh evergreen garland draped across the front porch railing, secured with rustic jute twine and accented with burgundy velvet ribbon. Flank your front door with matching galvanized metal planters filled with fresh pine boughs, red berries, and birch branches for vertical interest. Add vintage-inspired lanterns on either side of the entrance, fitted with battery-operated candles for a warm, flickering glow that welcomes guests as twilight falls. A weathered wooden ladder leaning against the porch can display mini wreaths at varying heights, creating wonderful visual layers that embody farmhouse charm. Your entryway sets the tone for your entire farmhouse Christmas experience. Start with a rustic wooden bench as your focal point, ideally something with a distressed finish or reclaimed wood that tells a story. This bench serves double duty as both seating and a display surface for your holiday decor. Position it against your main wall, creating an anchor for the entire vignette. The key to farmhouse style is balancing function with beauty, so this bench isn't just pretty. It's where family members can sit to remove winter boots, or where guests can rest shopping bags. Choose a bench with storage underneath if possible, keeping the space practical while maintaining that curated, magazine-worthy aesthetic we're aiming for. Above your entryway bench, hang a show-stopping Christmas wreath that becomes your design focal point. Opt for an oversized wreath, at least 24 to 30 inches in diameter, crafted from mixed evergreens like pine, cedar, and fir for wonderful textural variety. Look for wreaths incorporating natural elements such as pine cones, dried orange slices, and cotton stems that align perfectly with farmhouse sensibilities. Skip overly shiny or artificial-looking embellishments. Instead, choose muted plaids, burlap ribbon, or even a simple jute bough that lets the natural beauty shine through. Hang it using a rustic hook or vintage-style wreath hanger that complements your overall aesthetic, ensuring it's positioned at eye level for maximum impact. Lanterns are quintessential farmhouse accessories that truly shine during the Christmas season. Place varying sizes of metal lanterns on either side of your bench, creating symmetry and balance. Choose lanterns in galvanized metal, aged bronze, or distressed white finishes for authentic farmhouse appeal. Fill them with battery-operated pillar candles, pine cones, fresh cranberries, or even small ornaments for a festive twist. The beauty of lanterns lies in their versatility and the warm, ambient lighting they provide. Consider placing one larger lantern on the floor beside your bench and two smaller ones on the bench itself, creating what designers call a rule of three arrangement that's naturally pleasing to the eye. Functionality meets farmhouse style with thoughtful storage solutions in your Christmas entryway. Install a row of vintage-inspired coat hooks or a wall-mounted rack featuring individual cast iron or brass hooks where family and guests can hang coats, scarves, and holiday sweaters. Below this, position a rustic shoe cabinet with a distressed finish or a simple wooden crate system that keeps winter boots organized yet accessible. Add woven baskets on lower shelves for hats and gloves, perhaps lined with buffalo check or holiday plaid fabric. These practical elements maintain your home's organized appearance while contributing to the overall farmhouse aesthetic, proving that beautiful design never sacrifices livability. Complete your entryway with carefully selected finishing touches that enhance both function and festivity. Place a large mirror with a rustic wooden or vintage metal frame above your bench to reflect light and make the space feel more expansive. This serves the practical purpose of last-minute outfit checks while doubling your decorative impact through reflection. Position a core doormat with a simple holiday message at the entrance, and layer a vintage-inspired rug beneath your bench for added warmth and texture. Scatter small decorative elements like a wooden tray holding seasonal greenery, a vintage thermos styled as a vase, or a small chalkboard with a handwritten Christmas greeting to add personality. Moving into your living room, embrace the farmhouse philosophy of lived-in comfort meeting curated style. Center your Christmas tree as the room's focal point, decorated with a restrained palette of white, cream, natural wood, and touches of red or burgundy. String simple warm white lights throughout, avoiding multicolored or overly flashy options that compete with the rustic aesthetic. Dress the tree with handmade ornaments, dried orange slices, wooden beads, and burlap ribbons. Beneath the tree, place wrapped gifts in craft paper tied with jute twine and fresh evergreen sprigs. Your farmhouse sofa should be layered with chunky knit throws, plaid pillows, and faux fur accents that invite everyone to curl up. If you're blessed with a fireplace, your mantle becomes prime real estate for farmhouse Christmas styling. Create a layered look starting with a fresh evergreen garland as your base, allowing it to drape naturally rather than appearing too structured or perfect. Tuck in eucalyptus branches, white berries, and pine cones throughout for added texture and visual interest. Intersperse white or cream pillar candles in varying heights, housed in simple glass hurricanes or rustic wooden candle holders. Add vintage finds like old books, wooden signs with holiday sentiments, or antique brass candlesticks. Lean a large mirror or vintage window frame against the wall for architectural interest, and weave in subtle twinkle lights for enchanting evening ambience. Transform your dining table into a Christmas gathering spot that balances elegance with farmhouse warmth. Start with a base of natural linen or burlap table runners, layering textures for visual depth. Create a centerpiece using a long wooden dough bowl or vintage tray filled with fresh greenery, white candles, pine cones, and scattered ornaments in muted tones. Set your table with simple white or cream dinnerware, allowing the natural beauty of wooden chargers underneath to shine through. Add copper or brass flatware for a touch of warmth, and fold linen napkins secured with jute twine and a sprig of rosemary or pine. Incorporate vintage glass bottles as bud vases holding single stems of winter greenery at each place setting. Your farmhouse kitchen deserves its own Christmas moment while maintaining everyday functionality. Dress your open shelving with holiday touches like white ironstone mixed with vintage red transferware, creating a classic Christmas color story. Place a small potted rosemary tree, shaped into a topiary, on your countertop as an edible decoration that serves double duty. Drape simple evergreen garland across your upper cabinets, securing with small finishing nails that won't damage the finish. Style your coffee station with a vintage enamelware tray holding your small coffee machine, festive mugs, and a jar of peppermint sticks. Hang a modest wreath on your refrigerator using magnetic hooks, and display vintage kitchen tools like wooden spoons in a crock with holiday greenery. Your family room is where the real living happens, so balance Christmas charm with comfort and functionality. Style the area around your flat-screen TV by creating a subtle holiday vignette on the console beneath, perhaps a wooden tray with pillar candles, a small ceramic Christmas tree, and stacked vintage books. Add a chunky cable knit throw draped over your sectional, and refresh your pillow collection with seasonal covers in buffalo check, grain sack stripes, or embroidered holiday motifs. Position a rustic basket beside the sofa filled with extra throws for chilly movie nights. Keep the decoration understated here since this is your daily living space, focusing on cozy textiles and warm lighting rather than elaborate displays. Even your farmhouse home office can embrace Christmas spirit while maintaining productivity. Style your small desk with a miniature wreath hung on the wall above, or a simple arrangement of pine branches in a vintage bottle. Add a unique small desk clock with brass or wood details that fits the farmhouse aesthetic while keeping you on schedule during busy holiday preparations. Position a small vintage radio on a nearby shelf as both functional item and decorative accent, perhaps playing soft Christmas carols while you work. Keep a hurricane lantern with a battery-operated candle on your desk for ambience during evening work sessions. The goal is subtle seasonal touches that inspire without distracting from your productivity. Transform your reading nook into a personal Christmas sanctuary where you can retreat with a good book and hot cocoa. Layer your reading chair with a luxurious faux fur throw and velvet pillows in deep burgundy or forest green for seasonal color. Position a small side table within arm's reach, topped with a brass or copper reading lamp, a favorite Christmas candle in a mercury glass holder, and a small vase with fresh evergreen clippings. Hang a simple wreath on the nearby window or wall, and place a woven basket at the chair's side to hold your current reading stack wrapped in vintage book covers or brown paper. String battery-operated fairy lights around the window frame for enchanting evening reading sessions. Your bedroom should embody peaceful farmhouse Christmas vibes that promote restful sleep while celebrating the season. Start with your bedding. Layering white or cream linens with a buffalo check duvet or quilt in muted red and cream tones. Add decorative pillows featuring subtle Christmas motifs like embroidered snowflakes or simple holiday text. Drape a fresh evergreen garland across your headboard, secured with small command hooks, and weave in battery-operated fairy lights for soft nighttime illumination. Place matching lanterns on your nightstands with candles inside, flanking the bed symmetrically. Hang a wreath on your bedroom door or above the bed, and position a vintage ladder in the corner draped with quilts and throw blankets for both storage and visual interest. Don't overlook your bathroom when spreading farmhouse Christmas cheer throughout your home. Above your wastafel or sink area, swap regular hand towels for holiday-themed versions in natural linen or cotton with simple embroidered details. Place a small galvanized tray beside the sink holding guest soaps, a mini succulent dressed with a tiny ornament, and a votive candle in a vintage brass holder. In your shower area, hang a eucalyptus bundle from the shower head. The steam releases wonderful aromatherapy while adding organic beauty. Display rolled towels in a wire basket with sprigs of pine tucked between them. Add a small wreath to your bathroom mirror or hang one on the back of the door using an over-door hook for unexpected festive charm. Your garage becomes Christmas central during the holidays, so style it with farmhouse organization in mind. Install rustic wooden shelving or use galvanized metal shelving units to store holiday supplies, decorations, and gift wrapping essentials in clearly labeled baskets and vintage crates. Create a gift wrapping station using a folding table dressed with a canvas drop cloth, and store wrapping paper in a tall galvanized bucket or vintage milk can. Hang evergreen garland across exposed beams or along the garage door frame for festive flair. Use pegboard with vintage hooks to organize tools and holiday extension cords. Even in this utilitarian space, maintain the farmhouse aesthetic with weathered wood tones, metal accents, and purposeful organization systems. Your farmhouse patio extends your living space outdoors and deserves its own Christmas transformation. Arrange weather-resistant furniture with outdoor cushions in holiday plaids or solid burgundy and cream tones. Create an outdoor centerpiece using a galvanized trough filled with potted evergreens, birch logs, and battery-operated lanterns. Hang evergreen garland along patio railings, securing it with zip ties that disappear into the greenery. Place oversized lanterns on the ground flanking your patio entrance, filled with flameless pillars for safety. String cafe lights overhead for magical evening ambience, and position outdoor-rated throw pillows on seating areas. Add a vintage sled leaning against the wall, or a stack of firewood tied with red ribbon for authentic farmhouse charm. Let's discuss some professional tips for achieving cohesive farmhouse Christmas design throughout your home. First, commit to a consistent color palette. Typically neutrals like white, cream, and natural wood tones accented with one or two deeper shades like burgundy, forest green, or navy. This creates visual flow as guests move through your spaces. Second, repeat key elements in different rooms, such as using lanterns, evergreen garlands, and buffalo check patterns throughout. Third, embrace asymmetry and imperfection. Farmhouse style celebrates the handmade and slightly weathered rather than matchy-matchy perfection. Fourth, incorporate natural elements abundantly, from fresh greenery to pine cones to wooden accents. Finally, layer textures extensively, combining metal, wood, linen, and greenery for rich, tactile interest. Creating stunning farmhouse Christmas decor doesn't require a fortune. Let's explore budget-friendly solutions. Shop thrift stores and antique markets for vintage finds like lanterns, wooden crates, and metal containers that cost significantly less than new. Forage for free natural elements like pine cones, branches, and greenery from your yard or local parks. Make your own wreaths using grapevine bases from craft stores and hot-glued natural findings. Repurpose items you already own, like using vintage kitchenware as planters or displaying collections of mason jars as candle holders. DIY your garlands by gathering evergreen clippings and wiring them together. Invest in quality basics like neutral linens and simple white candles that work year-round, then layer inexpensive seasonal touches like ribbon and ornaments that you change annually. As we conclude this farmhouse Christmas journey, remember that the most beautiful holiday homes tell a story, your story. Every vintage find, handmade ornament, and carefully chosen natural element should reflect your family's personality and traditions. The farmhouse aesthetic celebrates authenticity over perfection, comfort over formality, and meaningful connections over impressive displays. As you implement these ideas throughout your home, from that welcoming entryway with its rustic bench and lanterns to your peaceful bedroom retreat, focus on creating spaces where memories are made. The goal isn't magazine-perfect styling, but rather warm, inviting environments where loved ones gather, laugh, and celebrate together. Thank you so much for spending time with us today at the Daily House Ideas. We hope you're feeling inspired and ready to transform your farmhouse into a cozy Christmas haven filled with rustic benches, glowing lanterns, and welcoming wreaths that capture the true spirit of the season. If you love these farmhouse Christmas ideas, please show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to our channel for weekly design inspiration delivered right to your feed. Drop a comment below telling us which space you're most excited to decorate, or share photos of your own farmhouse Christmas transformations. We love seeing your creativity. Remember, your home is your canvas, and every season brings new opportunities to create beauty and comfort. Until next time, happy decorating, and may your holidays be merry, bright, and beautifully farmhouse.